2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.